So guys, let's test the microphone and see how it works. Yeah, it works with perfectly fine with our homemade microphone. Yeah, the graph is built in up and down. So guys, we're gonna test the microphone. Hello, mic testing. So guys, the graphs goes up and down. That clearly means the microphone works very well. So guys, this much for this video. So guys, if you like our videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. It keeps us motivated to bring out more amazing content to you. So thank you for watching guys.